Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and proper good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making some ESCOVITCH fish, and here are my ingredients that I will be using. And here I have 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon salt or add 2, and half teaspoon black pepper, right? So yeah, go ahead and mix that up, and then we're gonna set it to the side, right? So that we can season our fish. But before we do that, let us put some oil to hot, because we are gonna be frying these little fishies. Fry them. So yeah, let's go in now with the seasoning. So of course, Vibes fam, season your fish and season it nicely, but just a little heads up, you don't want to add too much of the seasoning on the outside of the fish, right? Because then when you fry it, it will look like it burned when it not really burnt, right? It's just because a lot of seasoning is on it. But if you don't mind that look, then go ahead and do you boo, but just giving you a heads up, right? But otherwise, rub it up, right? So yeah, go in and vibe some. You see those slits right there, those two little slits? Yes, you want to get the seasoning all up in there, but most importantly, get it all up in the fish. Now right there, so add any amount. When I tell you, dab it up, like go all in, dash out, beer dash out. Yes, go in with the seasoning in there. You always want to do that, right? To really get your fish all nice and flavorful. So here I'm just showing you another one. So yeah, you want to go ahead and listen, all the head, make sure you rub the seasoning everywhere. Go all in, right? And get all up in them slits. Remember I was telling you about them slits? Yes, get up in there. Just take your finger and rub in the seasoning in there. Massage it in there and flip over the fish and do the same on the other side, because I have slit on the left and slit on the right. Right? And then yeah, you want to open up the fish and then dash in the seasoning as well, right? Because trust me, Vibes fam, just be good to these little fishes with just be bountiful with the seasoning, right? Well, not so much on the outside, but you know what I mean, on the inside and such. But yeah, Vibes fam, comment down below and tell me, which do you prefer, steam fish or fry fish? Let me know. So that is us all done, and here are my well little seasoned little fishes. So let's put them in the oil first. I add a scotch bonnet pepper and some cloves of garlic, maybe 5. So yeah, Vibes, so I added some time to the oil and I'll allow it to fry in there a bit, and then I'm gonna take it out and put it on top of the fish, right? Just so it doesn't burn. You don't have to do that. You can leave it into the oil, right? But I'm going to take it out and then I'm going to put it back in the oil when I'm gonna flip over the fish, right? But yeah, that's just how I do. So yeah, Vibes fam, when it is all done, then we're gonna go ahead and flip them over, right? Flippity flip. But of course, as I said, let's take off the time and dash it in the pot, right? Dash it back in the oil, because yeah, we need to get the oil nice and flavorful. So flip over your fish on each side, maybe like 5 minutes, but I kind of don't, just get it nice and golden brown, because sometimes it depends on how high you have your flame, right? But don't have it high, too high. Medium is fine. And flip over your fish and just allow the other side to get nice and brown, and looking all beautiful. Look at pretty, look nice and brown. Yes, perfect. So this is it, Vibes fam, all done. So I'm gonna take them out and rest them on my little rack, for the excess oil to be drained. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my other 2 fishes. Gonna fry them. I'm not gonna take out the garlic because it's not like burning or anything. It just look really brown, right? So yeah, look at gorgeous, gorgeous. So yeah, now let's add the other 2 fishes and get them nice and golden brown as well. So yeah, Vybz fam, fry away, fry away. Over, so look at the pepper, look at the pepper. You can turn it over if you want. But yeah, Vybz, another thing, please can you hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I upload new videos. Oh, by the way, we're turning over the fish. But yeah, if you are not on the if you don't have the notification bell on, YouTube will not tell you when I post new recipes. But yeah, Vybz fam, look at it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So yeah, when they're done, then we're gonna take them out and rest them on the rack as well. Right? Yes, go ahead and take them out. Look at beautiful. And by the way, Vybz fam, I will leave the recipe for the pickled pepper in the description down below. Look at them, nice and nice, nicely fried. So here I'm adding my pickled pepper on these fish. So yeah, Vybz fam, you can add as much as you want. Add any amount of onion, any amount of carrot, any amount of chocho, any amount of pepper, whatever you want, you add it. As for me, I don't like when my fish look too I need to be able to see the fish, right? I want to see it. So I'm not just going to just crowd it up with all the seasoning, as in with all the pickle, and then you can't see the fish. No, I need to be able to see it. But yeah, but do you, boo? And then also what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in. You need to take that nice vinegar, that flavorful vinegar, the pickly pick, and then you're gonna pour it on the fish. And when I tell you that it intensifies the taste of the fish, it just nice. And but again, do you, boo, because maybe there's somebody who just like them fish fry and can't even imagine putting any kind of liquid on it. That would not work for them. So yeah, just do you. But this is what ESCOVITCH fish is about. Yes, see, I'm going in with that nice vinegar flavorful pickled pig juice. Going in with Essie, going with the ESCOVITCH sauce. Well, it's not really a sauce. People call it sauce, but it's not really a sauce. It isn't a sauce. But yeah, call it what you want to call it. But yeah, pour away and enjoy. And Vybz fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious, don't forget beautiful, don't forget beautiful. Look how it cute. Look how it cute. Look now. Look how my little roses them cute. The roses them so cute. Yes. But Vybz fam, pre and it don't just look good, it tastes amazing. So comment down below and tell me, will you be trying this for Easter, right? As I said, I'll link the recipe down below for the pickled pepper. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Run over on Instagram and follow me, please. Thank you. God bless you.